What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to me channel. If you've been here before, what is really going on? How you living? How's your mom? How's your dad? How are you? If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. This is Victoria Elise, and today we are vlogging, y'all. We vlogging. Yes, ma'am.
Me.
Yeah, you. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Ava.
Wow, hi Ava. How old are you?
I'm good.
You're good? How old are you?
I'm 3.
No.
I'm 4.
Yes. Wow. Hi, princess.
Hey.
Hi.
Hi.
What's your name?
Ison.
Hi, Ison. How old are you?
9.
Were you gonna say 4?
No.
9. Wow. Today we are going to be making pasta from scratch. I've never done it before. I'm so excited. I can't wait to eat it. That's when you know you have issues, is when you want to like skip the beginning and get to the end and just I just want to eat it, y'all. I'm so excited. I think I'm gonna do a shrimp scampi with the fresh pasta. I think that might change. You might see some white creamy sauce because I change my mind every 3 seconds. But I'm thinking I'm gonna do a shrimp scampi. So I'm gonna make the pasta now. It's Saturday. It's a beautiful day to have a beautiful day. So let's jump into this pasta because I'm already wasting time with getting ready. So let's get her done. Alright guys, so the first step into making this pasta is to get your flour down on the counter, and you want 2 cups of flour for this recipe. I did do 4 scoops because I only had a ½ cup measuring cup, so just 2 cups of flour. Now I'm just making a whale in the middle of that flour so all the edges are still up and there's just a good enough hole to put the eggs in. So you're going to put 1 whole egg in and then 3 egg yolks, and this is what it looks like. Now we're going in with a tablespoon of olive oil that goes right in the middle with the eggs. We're also going to give it a few clicks of salt, about ½ of a teaspoon of salt, not too much. And then we're just going to combine all of those ingredients together for sure. Slowly but surely it's all going to come together. As you can see, I'm just going until I add more and more flour. And that's about it, y'all. You can watch the rest, but no more instructions needed. It's super simple. Everybody should be making their own fresh homemade pasta. It is a lot of work, but it is so worth it. Not yet. What you doing?
Cooking,
What you cooking?
making noodles.
Ooh. Are you making pasta?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. You go, girl. Good job. Okay, we're gonna fold your noodle or your pasta. We're gonna fold it, and then we fold it,
Making noodles pasta.
and then we fold it again.
Ooh.
Fold it again, and now you get to cut it. And you cut it. No. Okay, look. Let me show you first. We're gonna cut it on this side, and we're gonna do a skinny winny.
Gimme Winnie.
Actually, okay.
Let's do it together. Let's do it.
Okay, Mama, do this side. You do that side.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but actually, you use this knife. But I want you to be very, very careful. You don't touch this part because this part can make you bleed. Okay?
Okay.
So you hold on to this part with your good hand, and you cut it really thin, just like that. Okay? We're gonna do thin little
Mom,
cuts.
can I do it too?
Okay. Let me see. Wait, nope, that's too big. Little baby cuts. See these little baby cuts?
Baby cuts, baby cuts, baby cuts,
Baby cuts.
baby cuts, baby cuts. The baby cuts, baby cuts, baby cuts.
And when you unwrap them,
Mm-hmm. Beginning, Mom.
they're long noodle doodles.
Noodles.
Okay, do skinny cuts. Baby cuts. Baby cuts. Mommy made enough chunky noodles for us yesterday.
Yay!
Good job. Baby cuts.
No. I
Okay,
want
okay,
baby
you do.
cuts.
One good umph. There you go. Okay. Good job, siesta. Good job.
Wow.
That one's beautiful.
Okay. Look at that.
Ooh, that's a forward pass. You can't do that.
Mama, look it.
He's a quarterback.
Oh, he's the quarterback. My bad. I thought he was running back or something. That's funny. I'm like, you can't do that.
Gotcha.
Oh, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Wow, look at you, girl. You're so good.
Can I help you?
Yes.
Really, Mom?
Yes.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome, babe. Thank you, little.
Welcome. You cut like this, and cut like there, and cut right there, cut right there, and now cut